Chipmunks are small, lively rodents known for their distinctive stripes and cheek pouches. Belonging to the family Sciuridae, which includes squirrels and prairie dogs, chipmunks are primarily found in North America, with one species in Asia. These creatures are not just a delight to watch but play a significant role in the ecosystem by dispersing seeds and aerating the soil through their burrowing activities. Chipmunks are classified into the genus Tamias, which is further divided into three subgenera: Tamias, Eutamias, and Neotamias. The most well-known species is the eastern chipmunk, found in eastern North America. The Siberian chipmunk, native to Asia, is the only species outside North America. Other notable species include the least chipmunk and the yellow pine chipmunk. Chipmunks are small, with a body length ranging from 12 to 15 centimeters and a tail that adds another 8 to 13 centimeters. They weigh between 28 to 140 grams. Their fur is reddish-brown with 5 dark stripes and 2 light stripes running along their backs, while their bellies are lighter in color. The most distinctive feature of chipmunks is their expandable cheek pouches, which they use to transport food. Chipmunks are highly adaptable and can be found in a range of habitats including deciduous forests, coniferous forests, shrublands, and even urban areas. They prefer environments that provide ample ground cover such as logs, rocks, and dense vegetation, which offer protection from predators. In North America, chipmunks are commonly found in wooded areas with abundant underbrush. They thrive in environments that offer plenty of food sources such as nuts, seeds, fruits, and insects. They are also known to inhabit gardens and parks in urban settings, where they often come into contact with humans. The Siberian chipmunk occupies a vast range across Russia, China, Korea, and Japan. It favors forests but can also adapt to farmlands and urban environments. Its introduction to Europe has shown its capability to thrive in diverse conditions. Chipmunks are diurnal, being most active during the early morning and late afternoon. They are solitary creatures, with each individual maintaining a separate burrow system. Chipmunks construct elaborate burrows with multiple entrances to evade predators. These burrows can be quite complex, featuring chambers for sleeping, food storage, and waste disposal. The depth and complexity of these burrows vary depending on soil type and environmental conditions. Chipmunks are omnivorous, with a diet that includes nuts, seeds, fruits, berries, insects, and occasionally small vertebrates. They are known for their food caching behavior, where they collect and store food in their burrows for winter. This behavior is crucial for their survival during periods when food is scarce. Chipmunks communicate using a series of vocalizations and body language. Their calls can vary from high-pitched chips to deeper clucks, each serving a different purpose such as signaling danger or attracting mates. Despite their solitary nature, They establish territories that they defend aggressively against intruders. Chipmunks breed twice a year, typically in spring and late summer. After a gestation period of about 31 days, the female gives birth to a litter of 2 to 8 young. The young are born blind and hairless, relying entirely on their mother for nourishment and protection. The mother weans her young after about 2 months, at which point they leave the burrow to establish their own territories. Chipmunks reach sexual maturity by the next breeding season. In the wild, chipmunks have a lifespan of 2 to 3 years, although they can live longer in captivity. Chipmunks play a significant role in their ecosystems. As seed dispersers, they contribute to forest regeneration. Their foraging activities help in aerating the soil, which improves soil health and nutrient cycling. They are also a food source for a variety of predators including hawks, owls, snakes, and larger mammals. Chipmunks are known for their habit of burying seeds and nuts, many of which they never retrieve. These forgotten caches can germinate and grow into new plants, aiding in the propagation of various tree and plant species. This activity is particularly important in forest ecosystems, where they contribute to biodiversity and forest structure. Chipmunks often come into contact with humans, especially in suburban and urban areas. While they are generally harmless, they can become a nuisance by digging in gardens and eating cultivated plants. They may also take up residence in homes or outbuildings, which can cause structural damage. Managing chipmunk populations in human-dominated landscapes involves habitat modification, exclusion techniques, and, in some cases, humane removal. Ensuring that they do not have easy access to food sources and securing potential entry points to buildings can help mitigate conflicts. Chipmunks are not currently considered endangered, but habitat destruction and urbanization pose threats to their populations. Conservation efforts focus on preserving natural habitats and promoting coexistence with human populations.